And so in the first connection email, it's really important to not come across salesy or even share your intention of prospecting. If you were a business owner in Boston and I thought that you might be a great prospect, I would do something like, "Hey Maggie, I just noticed that you've accomplished quite a bit in your business. Congratulations. I noticed we both do business here in Boston. I thought it wouldn't hurt to connect. Hope business is great, Jeremiah." So
Mhm.
that would be my outbound message, right? We actually have over 17 different templates in Advisorist. Some have, had gotten all the way up to 60% acceptance ratios. But that's just one really simple one. You find a common thing, you give a compliment, and you keep it simple. And when you do something like that, your chances of getting accepted to be connected with someone increase dramatically.